What'd you do?
No.
Did you get into the cat food?
No.
Yeah, I think you did.